Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my channel. So, today I'm here. I'll be discussing a new topic for the students who are studying chemistry, biotechnology, and biopharmaceutical sciences also. Okay, so I will first include the definition of a drug. So, what is a drug, my dear children? A drug is a chemical substance apart from the food. Okay, so the food is not included in this. It's a chemical substance which is basically required in the treatment, diagnosis, cure of any disease. So that is called as a drug. And in today's class or video, I'm going to explain you the drug approval process that happens in India. Okay, like everyone knows that FDA, the Food and Drug Administration, is responsible for approving the drugs in US, United States. So similarly, we have a regulatory statutory body here in India, okay, which is responsible for approving the drugs, the medicines, the biological devices, and that is called as CDSCO, that is Center for Drugs Standard and Control of India. My dear students, this CDSCO is headed by the DCGI, that is the Drug Controller General of India. And now you will be wondering, what is the role of this CDSCO? Okay, this is a government office. It is in New Delhi premises here in near Kotla Road. Okay, so in near Connaught Place. So this is basically responsible for checking the efficacy, the quality, the safety, whether the drug is safe when we are giving it to the patient, when whether it is efficient or not. So efficacy, safety and quality of the medicines under the DNC Act 1940, the Drug and Cosmetics Act 1940. So now I'm going to explain you that what is the process, how the drug controller, these applications are being submitted to the CDSCO office, and how do we get approval, and then how the post-marketing surveillance, like the marketing of the drugs, can be happening in India. So there are three basic steps. Okay, the first step is about when you are submitting the documents. Okay, so you are going to collate all your documents and you are going to submit all the documents. So submission mein kya hoga? All your preclinical data. Okay, so that means whatever data that you have for that has been done on the rodents, on the mice or animals, or whichever drug product you are working on, that preclinical data and clinical data, that you are going to compile, and you are going to upload it, okay, on the Sugam portal. So SUGAM, for this there is a Sugam portal, and this documentation, that is the preclinical data and the clinical data, it goes in the CTD format. CTD formats means common technical document. So it goes in the CTD format, and then you have to submit it on the Sugam portal. This data is also reviewed by the committee, the subject expert committee. So there are subject expert members who will review your data. Now after your data is thorough, you have submitted the data. Now if you want to connect or conduct the clinical trials from phase 1 to phase 3, then you again have to take approval from the IEC. IEC is nothing but it is the Institutional Ethics Committee. Alright, Institutional Ethics Committee. So that will give you approval that yes, whatever preclinical and clinical data you have submitted, that is okay, and now you can proceed for your clinical trials. Okay, now we come to the second point. After you have submitted the data, now this data will be reviewed and evaluated. Again, I told you that the subject expert committee is there. Then they can also come to monitor your facility where you're planning to produce, to make this drug product or a drug substance. So that facility will be audited for the whether it is following the current GMP practices or not. And then after all these things, it may also be they may also be evaluating the bioequivalent studies. Okay, that may also be required. Now, when review and evaluation has been done, now the third step will be approval and post-approval. So post-approval, what happens in the post-approval, as I already told you, that after the data is satisfied, okay, the reviewers and the committee members, those who are reviewing, they are fully satisfied, then CDSCO will grant you an approval that yes, now you have got the approval for this drug product and you can manufacture it and you can डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इट. मैन्युफैक्चर करने के बाद आप उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट भी कर सकते हो, मार्केट भी कर सकते हो. सो देर आर डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स दैट आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू टेल यू इन दिस वीडियो. सो देर आर 4 different forms. Okay, if there is a new drug application, then we give form 44. And CT04, this application is for conducting the clinical trial assessments. So there are different forms when we give. So for CTs, there is CT form and form 44 if there is any new drug. Okay, and if for the generic drugs, like for form 45, that is responsible, this form 45 helps you for and then marketing the drug product will fall under this form number 46. And similarly, form 45A will be for importing the drug substance, and form 46A will be for manufacturing and marketing the drug substance. So these are the 4 different forms in which you will have to apply. These are granted in a specific form procedure. So my dear friends, my dear students, this is the general procedure which we follow in India. Like in US, we get approvals from the FDA, as I already told you. There we get the approvals for drugs as well as for the food components. But here we only get but in India we have a separate authority for giving the approvals for the food, that is FSSAI authority, and for drugs we have CDSCO, all right, and which is headed by the DCGI. So I'm just compiling my videos, whatever. There are 3 steps headed by DCGI, CDSCO. Then there are 3 steps. That first you are going to submit your data, second review and approval, review and evaluation, and the third will be approval and post approval. And there are 4 forms: form 45, form 46. First one is used for importing the finished drug product, second one is for manufacturing and marketing the drug product. Okay, similarly 45A is used for importing the drug substance, and 46A is also used for manufacturing the drug substance. So this is how we can proceed for the approval of drugs by the CDSCO in India. So I hope you like my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a good day.